For some, the first few months of motherhood can be magical. For others, they can struggle with postpartum depression.
Now researchers are testing a medication that could help by adding some type of magic mushrooms. Here's Rachel Krause.
Yeah, I haven't seen score changes like this ever, and that's exciting.
Dr. Camille Hoffman is feeling hopeful about a potential new treatment for postpartum depression. It's something 1 in 8 women will deal with in the year after giving birth.
So there's hardly any patient that I see in a day that doesn't have some kind of risk factor for it. It's super common.
Dr. Hoffman, a maternal fetal medicine physician at CU Anschutz, just wrapped up phase 2 of a study on whether a new medication could combat postpartum depression. It's called RE104, a pharmaceutical version of psilocybin, more commonly known as magic mushrooms.
These types of interventions can help the brain kind of create new neural pathways that are more positive and can be transformative in that way. It definitely isn't a scenario where we're like, okay, here's your dose, now go off about your day. I mean, the enrollment criteria were very strict.
In the study, new moms with postpartum depression were injected with a journey-level dose of the drug, donning eye masks and headphones with music while their health was monitored closely.
It didn't all look pleasant. It looked like a journey where people were seeing and confronting things that were anxiety-provoking or raised fear in them, but then you'd kind of see that ebb and flow. And usually they would walk out of our center pretty calm.
Hoffman says the drop in depression for moms was noticeable in the hours and weeks after that dose.
I could hear a change in their voice, you know, their tone, and they would seem more lifted. It seemed kind of magical a lot of the time. Sometimes surprising in how quickly you would see the transformation.
Hoffman says while there's still more to study, what she's seeing so far is giving her hope that a fast, effective treatment for postpartum depression could be possible. She says mushrooms could indeed be magic.
I know, they do seem like the magic bullet.
Rachel Krause with that report. I know a lot of mothers do struggle with postpartum depression. I'm glad that they're talking about it now and certainly looking at different ways to treat it.
Absolutely.